good fit for this position because I love connecting with people. I love helping them meet their goals, and I just love connecting and seeing how we can help them do that.
I began the first 4 years of my career at Morgan Stanley in the New York office, trading listed derivatives and working in a team-oriented, fast-paced environment where my attention to detail has really allowed me to be successful in my career.
I learned to develop my communication and interpersonal skills, which has truly laid a foundation to my professional success.
I took this position thinking that I would be working beneath and reporting to a full-time marketing and communication coordinator, but unfortunately, that individual left the department, so in many ways, I was on my own, and I became the sole person for everything marketing and communication related.
Passionate people can really drive a business for you because we always are invested in everything that we do. And we want to be the best that we can be at everything. We're super competitive people. And, I definitely have those traits. I really care about who we are and what we're trying to accomplish.
I have had to learn how to run the entire system of compliances, how to run all the banking systems, all of the accounting systems, as well as all of the tax systems.
Despite having no prior experience programming in Python, I took it as a personal challenge to teach myself the language, and by the end of the summer, I had successfully developed a software that would handle in a couple minutes what originally took hours of manual copy.
It's really, really fun to see that this is a possibility for the future. So I hope you consider me.